Hello there. Here we go again. For this video, we're going to study Iges Toolbox's section cutting ability. So, for the first exercise, I'm going to cut a section through the geometry of the ribs here. I'm placing the floating points, as I like to call them, at the midpoints of the two boundary curves on the rib. Now I'll go up and I'll set the active color. And now I'll go back up to the cut section icon on the toolbar. I want to select the pick option here. The points in the dialog box are based on the points at the locations of the floating points that I placed earlier. I'm going to select the points on the y-axis. I'll simply select all displayed, and my section is cut. Here comes my section. Okay, for our second exercise, we're going to go through the exercise of adding body lines that we did in the previous video. So I've made these body lines yellow and I've put them on layer 100. Here are my body lines in 3D. Now I'm going to go up and quickly set my active color to green, and then I'm going to select the cut section icon again. So from here in the dialog box, I'm going to cut along the body lines that I've put on level 100. To avoid having a whole bunch of sections cut in the same level, I can tell Iges Toolbox to place the new sections on levels starting with level 101. The program tells me that it's found all the lines on level 100, and I'll go ahead and cut the sections. Now I'll go up and click on the hand command and just pan through the sections here. That's a lot of sections. Now I'll quickly hit undo to get rid of this stuff, and we're off to the final part of our video. We're going to take a look at dynamic sectioning. This is where I can drag my slider bars through my shaded data. The slides allow me to examine the data in all directions. I can press on the little black arrow and tweak my location here. When you get to the area that you want to examine, you can cut sections and put it on a level. And here's my new section. So now I'll just do a couple of slider pulls for fun. And now that I'm finished, I'll click on the no clipping button and we're done. I hope that you like this video. I'll talk to you later.